This is the hole we had to cover. I actually used a piece of cab corner that I had to cover that. As you can see, there's that. And there's our new piece. Now we just need to get that curve. So let's work on that. So I think today I am going to be tackling this rusty fender well here. I still have the inner pretty well intact actually for where I live. Quite salty around here. We even have this flange, so if I can cut just above that, and then maybe there's a hole right here, right on that body line. It's gonna be a little tricky. So hopefully I can save that body line. Just put a little 2-inch patch right in there. I know I got a big piece of, that's nothing but filler right there. That was a hole. So let's go along with it. Alright, so my son put a little coat of primer on for me. Got our homemade panel. I actually used a piece of a cab corner that I had left over for that body line. And we're about where we want to be. So now I'm going to cut this open and see what's inside there for us. And you definitely don't want to go too far in with the blade here because you have that other inner panel to work with. This just, I don't know what's going on back there. It seems pretty solid up to there. I'm gonna take this out and see what, ooh yeah, look at all that. That's why we got rust, guys. All that stuff just hangs out right there. Look at this, guys. See why it's rusting? Because all this crap just stays in there with water. Back to the project. As you can see, it's all sorts of colors right now. This whole fender was smashed in completely. And you can almost not tell at all. We're getting there. Cab corners and rocker panels rotted out. Also getting there. And there was a big old rust hole here. These inners are obviously not going to last too much longer, but I'm going to send it. Just primered the inside. Still bare metal on the outside. Hopefully it doesn't catch on fire when I start to weld it. But it's pretty darn close. As long as we can follow this body line the whole way through. It's obviously not the exact contour, but it's pretty close. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome. stoppage, but it has to go up to meet this body line a little better, so I am going to need to take out about right here. So draw this line and maybe it's right there. Let's see where that puts us. Oh yeah, that's real close. Really close. Push that in. Like that, and you're right.